And welcome back. Fran Schaffer is joining us this morning with a great idea for your breakfast menu. And it is easy to make because you don't even have to heat up the stove, but it's a hot breakfast. Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Good to have you here.
Yeah, we love McDonald's breakfast burritos. And one time we were in McDonald's, and I could see in there how he was making it.
So you went back there?
No, I just watched. And so it gave me this idea of how to make them in the microwave. And what you do here is you put little bell peppers. Now, you don't have to put this in here, you know, if you just have a regular one, but I like it.
Okay, what are you adding it to?
This is coconut oil. Now, you can use butter, you can use anything.
Coconut oil is a little healthier, I'm assuming. Yes.
And you microwave this for 1 minute.
Because see, I asked Fran when she was here, I go, do you need us to remove this so you can have the stove? I was like, oh, it's microwave breakfast burritos. And microwaves are quick and easy.
Well, especially for your kids, that's something they can do.
Absolutely.
So here I've done the one now with butter, see? And it's you're just sauteing this just a little bit, okay? Now 1 egg is 1/4 cup.
Good to know.
So you scramble your egg.
Oh, okay.
And you put that on top of that.
Just a little Pyrex
I'd put a little bit more. Now these are the tops of casserole dishes.
Oh,
I thought that
clever idea.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, and they were just perfect. You'll see how perfect they were when we put this in, and all you do is cook this 1 minute.
Okay, so would you do the egg? You can already have this prepared, right? You can have it cut up, keep in your refrigerator, but the egg, do you need to do that? Can you do that ahead of time?
Yeah, well, you can do it ahead of time. I just cracked some eggs and now take that out and put this in 1 minute.
Here's something I've always done with my scrambled eggs is I've always added milk to it. Is there any reason why I need to? Maybe because my mom always did that.
Because they're eggs and you want them to
They used to do that to kind of extend, you know.
Maybe that's what it was, just to make it go farther.
If you had depression parents, which I did, you know, they did all kinds of things to make things stretch.
So I probably really don't need to be.
So now we're going to do this one. This is with coconut oil.
Oh, okay.
And I'm just putting a little extra in there.
How much coconut oil did you use?
About a tablespoon is what I use.
Okay.
Now what I have here is bacon, sausage. We have shredded cheese. Now these are all optional. You don't have to use these. And then we have our homemade salsa, which everybody likes to have with a breakfast burrito.
Yes, absolutely.
And Mary's going to show you how to make that.
Yeah, your sister's here, so
very nice.
Looking forward to
And so,
talking with her.
is that ready?
Oh yeah, perfect.
And how long did you put that in for?
1 minute.
Just 1 minute, and it's, look at that, it is already done.
And here is,
wow.
I heated up this this shell, 10 seconds. Now look how nice this comes out, look.
Because it's already greased with the
It's all greased.
butter.
You just take this little spatula and you put this on top of this.
There you go, Fran.
And you go like that. There you are.
That is just perfect.
And then fill up this little hole.
Yes.
And then you just roll it up.
And 1 minute was all that took. Just get that
And
scrambled and ready to.
you turn this up, put it on your plate, and then you eat it. And then you have your salsa here, and you can put your salsa on the plate like this.
That is an easy breakfast, and eggs will. That's good because they'll stay with you for a long time.
And another thing, it's nutritious.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not eating a Pop-Tart.
Exactly.
Or something like that, which kids think.
So Fran, is this something that you could make ahead and freeze?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I mean, it's so fast to do, and I'll tell you, put that on for 15 seconds. I did this for my grandchildren at Christmas time. They absolutely loved them. They just,
Very nice.
you know,
I would.
And so it's just something real easy. It's something you can do in a few minutes. See, now, now like you could put this, now here you have a sausage burrito, see?
Delicious. And you know what, while Fran's making that up, and we'll make another one during commercial break, we're gonna come back with her sister Mary, who's gonna show us how she made this delicious homemade salsa. We'll be right back, friends.